BSA is something special and very kind and loving, and it's where Black students can meet other friends of their own, and it makes me feel happy and special inside.
We're very lucky that we have a wonderful parent community at Wellington that play a really involved role in our school and in their advocacy. So we actually had a parent who asked the principal if we could start a BSA at our school.
With my daughter, at the age of 4, she experienced racism, and it was really important to find solutions to how can we help her as well as other kids in the school to feel a sense of belonging. Everybody want to be able to say, hey, this is who I am, my culture is part of who I am, and what better way to create that safe space for students at Wellington Public to come together every Wednesday and share experiences, their lived experiences as Black students, and also share what's going on in the classroom.
I'm happy that they have a BSA association because it helps her to build her confidence and to socialize with her peer. And the teachers here are very, very good at helping these Black students, not only in the association but in the classwork as well.
This is my first year being part of a BSA, and I've had the privilege of having such amazing colleagues to guide me on how everything is run and how to start up a BSA. So my hopes for the future is to bring this to other schools and to continue working with BSA and creating activities and field trips and different initiatives to get this in more schools.
The BSA is important because it can help people stand up to racism and it can help people find their identity.
BSA is special because some Black people might feel like they don't fit in, and the BSA is special because it gives us a space to feel comfortable in ourselves.
People join the BSA because they like to see other people just like them, to feel included and to feel like they belong.
So this is our 3rd year of having a BSA at Wellington. We have had a number of different activities that the students have participated in. We've had graphic designers come in, we have had dance instructors come in, we have had cooking lessons, we have had family members come in to talk about their identity. Today we have the pleasure of inviting Noah Wright, who is a graphic designer and clothing designer who will be working with the Black Students Association to design a BSA t-shirt that our members will get to wear with pride.
I see how the students at Wellington Public School interact with each other, and it's inspiring, and it makes me feel good about myself coming here to help them, because it's just like putting on for the next generation. So what we did was I got the students to write affirmations that they want to tell themselves, so then they feel empowered, and then we handed out black fists and then got them to write the affirmations within the fist, just to push empowerment for the Black community and for themselves. And we're planning to get that printed on a shirt and specified for each student.
We're about to go on a field trip for our 3rd year in a row to NACCA, which is an amazing community partner where our students get to learn about their Black identities, and it's a really wonderful field trip that our kiddos look forward to every year.
We are in Newmarket, and our goal is really about creating a community hub for families who are Black, but we're open to everyone. The goal is to really break down barriers and provide access. So whether if it's from an educational standpoint or information standpoint, we believe in building allyship, but more importantly to building the bridge so that we can all understand each other much, much better.
There's nothing more holistic and healing than having a sense of identity and knowing that, hey, this space creates that for me and I can go there and be my most authentic self.
Our goal here is to provide, the guidelines where possible, the support where possible, because we understand that giving the students a space will allow them to feel more accepted, and that piece is key in terms of their confidence.
I would like to say thank you to all the people that helped me through my journey.